Welcome to this segment on the Conversation Prism, a powerful tool for navigating the dynamic world of social media. In this video, you will explore its visual representation of the social media landscape, uncovering insights into how users, brands, and communities interact online. On the next slide, you'll see the Conversation Prism. If it's hard to view, I suggest searching for Conversation Prism on Google to see a clearer image. This well-known diagram is designed to visually represent the social media landscape. It highlights key elements such as reach, relevance, resonance, social capital, influence, and popularity. Additionally, it categorizes aspects into persona, brand, and community. The Conversation Prism is an infographic created to help marketers understand the evolving state of social media. Different colors in the diagram represent various social media marketing genres, while the halos radiating from the center illustrate the consumer's online journey. According to Gil Salamander's article, "What is a social media conversation prism and why should you care?" These halos offer insights into how to add value to social networks through listening, learning, engaging, and creating. In a closer view, the center of the prism represents the user, depicted as a character similar to those in Squid Games. This emphasizes that individuals are at the core of the social media experience, influencing both their own and others' interactions. Surrounding this central figure are halos that represent how to enhance social media interactions by engaging meaningfully, which is measured by reach, relevance, resonance, social capital, popularity, and influence. Popularity refers to metrics like followers or reviews, while influence relates to how someone impacts others' actions. The outer halos demonstrate how your engagement manifests as your brand, persona, and community, reflecting the impact of your interactions. Here's a bit about the Conversation Prism's origins. Developed by the renowned marketer Brian Solis, this concept dates back to around 2008. Although social media channels have evolved since then, the core ideas of the prism remain relevant. It was initially created as a visual map to understand conversational networks and their impact on shaping the future of social media. The Conversation Prism is a valuable tool for inspiring and building relationships with potential customers across various platforms. It helps in identifying new channels, creating engaging content, planning social media strategies, and showcasing your expertise in the field. Here's how to use the Conversation Prism effectively. First, explore beyond the basics. Use it to discuss social media's scope beyond just Facebook, X, and Instagram. Second, brainstorm new channels. Identify and strategize new social media channels and opportunities. Third, content creation. Leverage the Prism to inspire content ideas. Fourth, strategize. Analyze the landscape to plan your social media strategy. Fifth, showcase expertise. Demonstrate that social media is a critical area that should not be overlooked. In conclusion, the Conversation Prism offers a clear view of the social media landscape, showing how users, brands, and communities connect. Use these insights to strengthen your brand's presence and build meaningful connections in the digital space.